Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the volume cluster indicator for MT4. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Let's just look for the cluster indicator, drag and drop. All right, so okay, let's try. All right, so now the cluster indicator actually helps to identify and visualize significant price levels where trading activity is concentrated. As you can see here on the chart, you will see that the indicator actually marks key zones, all right, with color coded circles. Now it allows you to quickly assess where major volume clusters occurred during recent sessions. Okay, now, this is also going to be, a valuable tool for traders who pay attention to volume, right? Volume analysis. Okay, and so you will find out that the indicator uses two colors, right? You will see that the blue color, of course, would indicate bullish clusters, while the red color would indicate bearish clusters. Let's just quickly go to the indicator settings and see what we have here. All right, so we can see the different inputs here, which you can modify according to your taste. All right, you can feel free to edit the settings. Okay, so basically the cluster indicator highlights price levels where trading volume meets or exceeds a specified threshold. Now it might not necessarily be bullish clusters and bearish clusters. Let us see this the size of the size of the clusters also likely have a role to play. Okay, as we can see that where the bigger clusters occurred are areas where there were likely reversals. Okay, but remember that there is no indicator that is foolproof, because you can see we actually had a big cluster here and there was a move to the upside. We had there was a little bit big cluster here, but price continued going up, right? But you can see that the bullish cluster, you know added together, might have overpowered the bearish cluster and the bullish move prevailed, right? And in this case, you can see that in as much as the bullish clusters added together and the bearish, the blue color and the red color, the the sizes would be almost the same if you were to add the blue circles together. At the end of the day, the bullish prevailed, right, to the upside. And you can see that while the trend was bullish, while the momentum was bullish, you will find out that mostly blue circles were appearing. All right, and then when we had the appearance of a red circle, they tended to be a pullback of some sort. So there was a bearish momentum in the market at that time. You can see there was the appearance of red cluster here. Shortly afterwards, we had a red candle. There was appearance of red cluster here. We can see this wick here, right? Remember that this wick will indicate that the bears were involved, right? They were able to push the price down to this point before the bulls took over. Okay, and then you can see here the bulls were in control up until this point before the bears took over, and then of course we had a bearish move. All right, so basically this indicator can give some idea. It might not be the best to use alone. Of course, to be better to get confirmations from other indicators. All right, but remember that the color of each circle depends on the volume's relative magnitude. Okay, so it offers an instant visual cue. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.